Hello guys, welcome to our next video of H4 Hacks. Today we have a parcel from Nextion Systems. So let's open up the parcel. It's packed very nicely and we have a lot of things in the package. Let's see what's inside. Okay, so finally opening up the package, we have what appears to be a speaker and we have an I/O adapter board. And we have a mic attachment or a dual mic board, and then we have two boards called Open Nextion. It's ESP32 based board which has a built-in touch display. So we got all these stuff. Let's quickly look at these. So these are the I/O adapter and the dual mic that I told, and we have the speaker with that. Now they send us two variants of the board. One is 3.5 inch and other is 2.8 inch display. So let's quickly open up one of the displays. We are opening up the 2.8 display, so you can see the board is packed in anti-static package, and we have the standard warning text. And then we have a standard USB adapter. It's Type-C adapter. Oh, this is how the board looks. You can see there's a lot of connectivity here. Okay, so enough with the AI. Let's look at the connectivity. This is USB-C connector. And then you can see here a battery connector here and the real-time clock connector. And then you have I2C, UART, camera, and then GPIO connectivity, and then mic and speaker, as well as SD card. So here's a speaker again, and then another UART connector, and then you have power sliders, and then you have the reset and boot buttons here. So let's quickly hook up the device, and as soon as you toggle it on, you can see the default program running here. It's just a demo of the UI. The display is very responsive, and I believe this is coded in ESP-IoT development framework or ESP-IDF. So probably it's coded in C itself, and you can see different capabilities of the device. You can see different gauges, and overall very impressive quality and very responsive device. So let's quickly try to run something with Arduino, and with the help of AI I just looked up something here. Let's try to compile the program and then load it into the device. So you can see it's putting up yes. So yeah, it's a funny Tesla controller that I built. So on the background you can see my son's toy car, which is already having another ESP32 running a web server. So on the click of these buttons, a Nextion device basically sends a web request which triggers any activity on the car. So you can see it's basically toggling different lights on the car. So it's just a web based interaction. So as you can see, this board is basically designed for Internet of Things connectivity. So you can see it can control different devices like this. So I'm going to try the same thing with IDF. So you can quickly see it's become more responsive now because it's in C. It's beyond the constraints of Arduino framework, and it's very responsive right now. So I'm just running the same app coded in IDF or C basically. So now you can see I built another Wi-Fi auditor. It has kind of different features, like you can see all the networks around you, you can see all the clients around you, and you can basically capture handshakes of different Wi-Fi that is happening around you. So you can take those handshakes and then basically use it for offline cracking. So all this is possible with this Wi-Fi auditing tool, which I just wipe coded with the help of Claude and everything that's captured on the handshakes is written onto the SD card here. And you can see it can even emulate a evil portal, just like other tools out there. And also it has ability to see different kind of Bluetooth connections, as well as you can export the findings, everything into reports, etc. So it's just a fun project that I did with the help of AI. So you can see here, this is the Bluetooth capabilities. You can quickly see if there are any AirTags nearby, and quickly it identified around 7 AirTags, which is quite nice. So you can see it's a very powerful device, and it's very responsive, and it comes with a good packaging. Yeah, so that's all for today, folks. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe.